So I've just put the bag of compost into my brewer. That's my first 3 liters into 15 gallons of water. And you could see the bubbles that are formed by the water. That's the volcano effect. And the idea with the bubbles is that, first of all, it should be enough to maintain oxygen levels in your water, in the brewer, as you're brewing. At the same time, it should also be enough, or it can be enough, to extract those organisms, to push the biology out of the organic material. Now, one thing I also recommend is, if you're going to be making an extract or a tea, I wouldn't just leave it to the water, the agitation in the water, to extract the organisms. I would actually also include manual agitation. So what that means is taking the compost material in the bag and massaging it at the same time. So I'll show you what that looks like. So you take the bag, and what I'm doing is I'm squeezing the compost material, massaging it as best as I can. And this action encourages more extraction to happen. So I'm just making sure that I'm doing more extraction of organisms on top of what the water is doing for me. And hopefully I'll get more microbes in my tea or extract. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the compost. After I feel like, all right, I think I've extracted enough from that compost material, I'm gonna take out what's in the bag right now and add new compost. The leftover compost you can put back in your pile, or you can spread it on the soil. You can do whatever you like with it. And yeah, and then add a new batch of compost in the bag and do the same thing over again. All right, I hope that made sense. Thanks.